April is Car Care Month, but due to the coronavirus, we've started early. First, you should know that nothing is more important than the health and safety of our customers. We've adopted stringent hygiene protocols, including immediate sanitizing of high-touch surfaces on arrival, steering wheel covers, seat protectors, staff wearing disposable surgical gloves. We also clean your car inside and out.
We are open and here to serve any needs you may have. During an emergency, we realize how important it is to have a vehicle you can rely on. Now more than ever, it's service centered around you. We would love to have you come visit us, but if you would prefer, we can pick up your vehicle and re-deliver it to you. We know money can be an issue right now. We will keep you informed of any maintenance issues upcoming and let you know if there's something that can't wait. Keep in mind, we always offer flexible payment plans.
Maybe you'd like to use some of that extra time to accessorize your vehicle or do it yourself project. No problem. Parts Department here to help. We also offer 30% off for in-stock accessories, mud flaps, and also roof racks as well.
Why Car Care Month? Why now? Because the basics matter. You don't have to be a master technician like me to know that keeping your vehicle maintained and running properly saves you money in the long run.
So remember, whatever else is going on, we're here for you. Call me or any member of my team and we'll be happy to provide you with concierge level service. And don't forget to check out our discounts and coupons. We've doubled them. Stay healthy, everyone.